Ever opened your Forex chart and thought, what in the world am I looking at? Lines everywhere, oscillators flashing, and you're still not sure when to enter or exit a trade. Instead of stacking your chart like a Christmas tree, use 2 to 3 indicators that complement each other. Here's what I recommend. First up, RSI, the Relative Strength Index. It's like a market fitness tracker, showing you when a pair is overbought or oversold. Next, MACD, it helps identify momentum shifts. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish sign. When it crosses below, it's bearish. Finally, Bollinger Bands, they show volatility. When the bands tighten, it means a breakout might be coming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more updates on how to stay ahead in the world of AI trading. Stay informed, stay ahead, and let's make trading smarter together.